the next level. Let's share what we deserve. We're a beautiful pair. Hand in hand, our bond is gonna stay unbreakable.
Hi, Pale.
Tumela.
Gorgeous gown.
Thank you.
I'd like to know, what do Botswana diamonds mean to you?
Thank you for the question. When we talk of a diamond, we talk of something that is precious, something that is attractive, something that is valuable and of quality, just like me. And that is a powerful economic and tourism tool. Thank you.